Good morning everyone. On this video I'm going to demonstrate on how to create a table. So first thing, let's understand the word table is. So a table is a grid of rows and columns that intersect to form cells. So those lines that marks the cells boundaries are called grid lines. So on each table you are going to find rows, column and cells. So on the next video I'm going to identify, or I'm going to show you which one are the rows, which one are the columns, and which one are the cells. So from this video I'm going to demonstrate only on how to create table. So Microsoft provides us different methods of how to create a table. We have a method of using the existing Excel spreadsheet table. We have another method of inserting a table whereby you are going to put number of rows and columns. We have another method which is drawing a table whereby you're supposed to draw using a mouse or touchpad. So first thing, let me use the existing Excel spreadsheet table. So you click on insert, then table, then you're going to find the existing Excel spreadsheet table. So you count how many rows and columns that you want. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you go down again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means from this table, from the table that you have now, that means you have created a table of 5 rows and 5 columns. Now we want to create another table, that is our second table, whereby we are going to indicate how many numbers of rows and columns. So make sure that if you want to insert another table, if you want to create a second table, make sure your cursor is not inside this cell. You are supposed to be out of this cell and you press enter, so that you should create space between the first table and your second table. If you create another table while your cursor is still in here, that means your second table will be inside this cell. So let's move on to another method. So make sure your cursor is here, then you click insert table, then insert table. From here you're going to have this dialog box whereby you're supposed to indicate number of columns. So from this table we want to have number of columns as 6 and number of rows as 5. Then you click OK. There you go, you're done. That's another way of creating a table. Now you click here again. Make sure you have space between your second table and your third table again, as we did to the first table. So you go again on insert table, then you click draw a table. So now once you click draw table, your cursor will change to a pencil shape like this one. So you hold down your mouse or your touchpad, you press the left button, you hold it down, then you start dragging like this. Drag like this, then you stop. Then you come again, you join on this line, you draw a straight line, you release your fingers. You hold again your left button, you press it, you drag down to draw another line. Then you come again like this, another line, the same to the rest of the table. So you finish up doing the same. Then you come again on this to draw your rows. To make your rows, you come again to do the same. So suppose that when you're drawing your table, you have done a mistake or you have done something like this. It's either you're going to do Control Z to undo, because it's not perfect that you can draw a straight line at the same. But as a beginner, you're supposed to make some mistakes. So if you made a mistake when you're drawing your table, you just have to press Control Z to undo. Then you do again, you draw your table. That's all. So from these 3 steps, that's how you're going to do when you want to create a table. Have a good day. All the best. Thank you.